Hey, what's up everybody here? I've been gonna do this quick video on how you can make money on eBay selling ebooks that you could get it for free online like all these sellers on eBay are doing. Just go to eBay and type ebooks, and all these people will be selling ebooks. If they get it for free, it's 99 cents. But they're selling, so they're getting free money. It's like free money. So let me show you how it works. Usually just go right here. It's called idplr.com. PLR.com means private label rights. So it's like ebooks. So just register for free, so you can download the ebook on a PDF file and send it to the people that you're gonna sell it. So I usually just go right here after signing up and search for ebooks for free. Usually I go with a niche of weight loss. And then search for the one that you think that you can like sell very fast, like this one. I will go with this one. And upgrade weight loss. This is a video upgrade. I don't need video upgrades. This is new. I thought they were. Let's check it out. Oh, okay, upgrade. You can buy it later. Okay, the videos. But it's usually an ebook. OTOs, yeah, no, don't go with those ones, because usually it's like videos they're gonna sell you. They're gonna give you a ebook first, and then for free, and then you gotta buy the videos. So I never tried those ones before. I used to do this trick in 2014. Not right now, so I don't know how it works. Usually I'm showing you tricks that I used to do before. They're working right now, but not like before. Usually I used to make like $300 on this, but this is an ebook, I think. I will go with this one, very attractive, insiders training. So just go right here with this. After you sign, you make it an account. You can download it on a PDF file, and so you can send it to the people that are buying it. Let me show you how put the ad, like an ad, so you can it's very easy. It's copy and paste, so you can put the ad on eBay. Just go right here, save as on your desktop or pitch, and then put the description. It's very easy to sell on eBay. Just copy. Oh, I'm not gonna create it because it's gonna take time and all that. So I'm not gonna go over that. But usually just create it. Put the picture right here and the description, and that's it. Just copy and paste. You wanna more details? With check on these people's ads if you wanna do it like them. But usually I was doing this in 2014. I was making like $100 per day, 200, all depends, because the more ads that you post, the more money that you can make. So yeah, it was working awesome. I don't know about now. I'm saying this because usually I did a video a couple months ago, and a lot of people, that was an old trick too. I was making like $100 per day on CPA marketing and pickle workers, micro workers, remote workers, and people are saying that they got banned their account and everything. So this old tricks, I stated that in my video on that video that I was doing that. So I don't know the new rules and policies right now on the sites, the platforms like eBay. I don't know, to be honest. You can post, I think, if it's a brand new account, like 5 a month. If you have it for a long time, you could post unlimited, I think, ads. So it's because every platform will change their algorithm because of the scams and everything. But yeah, this is another way so you can make money online without recruiting. I learned this. I was doing this because I was tired of recruiting online. So that's another way so you can make another extra income if you want. So yes, thanks for watching this super quick video. See ya, peace.